Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 15 Pro, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find About Phone. Then let's keep tapping on the OS version and until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. And let's go back to the general settings and scroll down to the very bottom. Enter additional settings, scroll down again and find developer options. And here all we have to do is to find this option automatic system updates and tap on the switcher to turn on the feature. And from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.